Today we get to work on an R8, even though we got 3 R8s in the shop. It's R8 heaven. Got a first-time customer with us. He came in. He's got an oil light sensor, basically a low oil, but it's the sensor itself that failed. That's the one in the oil pan, I believe. So we get to work on this one today. He also wanted us to install, what do you call it, running boards and a new lip, because he cracked his, or his friend drove it, and oopsie. So we'll be replacing that too, and I actually got boxes right there. That's going to be installed over here. And that one, you guys know the story, waiting for an engine, and then this one Dimitri is still working on. That's to be continued, but the goal today is oil change, replace the sensor, running boards, lip, and send it on its way. R8 is all done. We did the service on it. It had the oil light problem. That is fixed now. Found out other things that we'll have to tackle later on. Customer supplied, I can't really see it, but the spoiler on the bottom, side skirts, that's all done. Looks really, really nice. The wheels and everything come together. He actually added a couple more carbon fiber features right there. That actually looks really, really good. So yeah, car is all done. Hopefully when the customer shows up, he'll be happy. We got a Maserati, but look at this one. This is an old school Benz S500. Woo! Very nasty. Well, nasty too. Classic car. Very rare. Extremely clean. One owner. And then we also have the Mclaren with the racing seats. You can't really see them. But for all your little goodies for your exotic cars, come visit us at German Auto House. Now let's go take a look and see what Dimitri is doing. There are the Mclaren seats. We'll work on Audi, and then we have a Bentley came to visit with some issues that, whew, look at those seats, look at that, everything.
How is the color? Black on red or red on black? Black and red. I mean, it's like black and red. Oh, black and red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful convertible. Almost new. Super low miles. Something clicking on suspension. It's like well, jump back to this beautiful lady. We check the Bentley. Bentley has low miles and the problem with the strut, and we decide to send that car to dealer because it's a brand new car. And we, of course, we want to save customer money, and the dealer have to take care about that issue because car is still under warranty. And of course, first he going to dealer and try to repair that car, right? Yeah. Yes. We have to always save customer money.
Yeah, why not? If there's warranty, why do we need to charge for it?
Yeah.
If the warranty doesn't work,
yeah, of course we take care about this. And here is the guy. I already assembled camshaft bed, a valve cover, and all timing key set. We install camshaft, and then torque specification for camshaft bed is for bolt 8 newtons all around, and then 90 degree. For cam, first install camshaft. Of course, it's new bolt, camshaft actuator, new bolt. Then you release tensioner, then just little bit pre-torque and open bolt. Then it's have a special cap from timing tools. Here is the cap. You install a timing adjuster actuator, and clockwise pre-torque 40 newtons, and then this have a hole for triple square socket, and then you install torque wrench, and first you torque 60 newton. This is first, this is second, then you torque 80 newtons. This is first, this is second, and then you release a camshaft holder and torque again. This is first, this is second, by 90 degree. We turn engine 2 time 360 degree and 1 time 360 camshaft, and we check all timing is good from crank locking pin and from camshaft holder. Everything looks good. Now install spark plugs, timing cover, and all wiring harness. Well, it's late evening today. I assembled everything back. Make sure. I hope. I would like to cross my finger. I hope everything is connected and I'm being right about the issue. Whew. Let's check. Oh, somebody. Accelerate. Go. Okay, let's fire up. And I hope misfire is gone.
Happy Monday, everybody. We're here with a 720S.
Good morning, happy Monday. Welcome back to German Auto House, and we start work with this car again. Last week the car get the new upgrades. It's a Senna seat right here. Seat already installed, calibrated, occupied seat sensor calibrated, everything is good and fine. And today what we want to do, we start to upgrade a little bit. Last time we downgrade the steel rotors, but this is mostly for truck. Today we install pure turbo inlet pipe. It's a really good upgrade because, of course, when I pull out the original one, when we remove it, I show you what's going on. We done on blue 720. It's have some plastic piece collapsed and hit the turbos and destroyed. We do the upgrade for this one. Need to remove fender liner, big pipe. That elbow over there is a little bit tricky. It's not that simple how it looks, but no biggie. Another things, we work on this engine a couple days ago. This engine going to blue 720. We replace a lot. We prepare that engine before installation, gasket, thermostat, many things, and now is that engine ready to swap. We want to do a different vlog, like a video. It's not like a vlog, it's like a installation, remove and installation video for 720, but we just want to show how is that engine looks. Okay, let's jump to replace elbows on this 720 and start.
How's it going?
Yeah, so far this big inlet pipe already removed. Here we have access to this elbow, and I'm really interested because that car is it's low miles car. Let's check, maybe it's failed. I don't know. For my experience, always happens with this pipe. Mostly. Oh, see, it's fine. No, that's fine. Already done. Let's see. See, here we go. Here, careful. Go to this side. No, go this way. See?
What he's pointing at is right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Yep.
You see that?
Good job.
Yeah. See, it's already collapsed and almost start hitting turbos. This is plastic. This is plastic piece inside. This is like a like exhaust, like reducer, sound reducer. I don't know what is that, but this is always collapse and hit the turbos. See? Yeah, we are right. 6,000 miles, guys.
Working here in this beautiful 2021 Stingray, customer's first oil change. One thing I noticed about a Chevy, they kept it simple. What they have is they have a oil filter and they have a single drain plug. Unlike every other supercar, it has 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So gotta give props to Corvette to keep it nice and simple.
Well, everything is assembled back, tested, good, and no any issue now. Here is how it looks. This failed piece. It's a came from each side from that area. They have like looks like they have a click. No glue, no silicone, no plastic weld, just a click inside, and after vibration follow down, and that one is not, but we see many cars it's a heat turbocharger turbine and destroy turbos because easy to going out like that. Okay, whatever, leave like that. Anyway, it's good. Time to test that car on road and then return to customer and start disassemble 720, and also we get the engine for that beautiful Audi R8, but this is next page.
Morning everybody. Good morning everybody. Hope everybody's good, because we're good. We're so Euro. Today is a good day. We get to play with some cars. We get to play with a Lambo. We get to play with a Mclaren and possibly play with a R8, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, not much today. Just a few things here and there. Just basically an oil change and double checking how everything is. That's about it. Hope you guys have a good day. Another beautiful day in the German auto house. We just finished this oil change on this Huracan. I didn't show you any videos because we've done it so many times. You guys know the drain plugs, you guys know everything.
Million times, yeah, on any videos, but we still service this supercar. This is what we do at German auto house, and also we have a few more service car for today. It's a one of the Porsche GT4. It's 3,000 miles on this car. 3,000 miles, guys. And we have a Mclaren 570 for service, and also we have a 720 Mclaren for engine swap, but this is not from our weekly vlog. We want to do the whole video about how to do, what to do, and about engine swap. I think it's the most interesting for everybody, just to have the video. It's like a whole video without because we don't know how long we do this swap. It's approximately like a 30-40 hours labor, but you know, depend the parts and depend the skills.
Audi RS3 base run. Trying to figure out what she has in Stockholm. It's like 352 horsepower to the wheels and anywhere between 335 and 350 torque. Not bad. Not bad for this little car. 2014 BMW M5. Downpipes and a custom tune. Woo. 634 horse to the wheel and 695 torque to the wheel. Nice numbers. Very.
Well, and now it's back to that story about R8 with the Misfire. If you remind these things, guys, this is Gen 2 R8, and whew, we assembled it again, and actually we found a problem over there. I try to zoom these things. Let me move a little bit flash. Well, back to this beautiful R8. The last time I fire up the car and still misfire. I a little bit upset, yeah, because big job is done, but still the same problem. Then I think a little bit what happens and what's going on, and pull apart again, and finally I found the problem. The problem is I try to zoom. You see that one and this one. Now it's possible to see it's a broken spring, valve spring. And here is the causes of the issue, why it's a misfire, and this is like always strange. Have compression, no compression. But I try to zoom more, yeah. Well, we are just human. Sometimes I don't take a lot of attention to check the spring, because I think I usually check. It looks good, but not spend more time. Pull apart again, found a problem, just wasting time. But anyway, I hope car is done. I didn't see any valve bending because the spring is still works little bit. It's not a lot, but still. Well, now it's time to remove that spring and replace. I already have all parts. I pre-order. Let's replace the spring. But again, we do this job without the drop-in engine and without the remove the cut. Just like few small trick, and it's possible to do. And let me take the leak down tester to keep the all valves in. Okay, now it's time to remove and replace valve spring. First, we have to keep the valve it's closed all the time, right? And we need these tools, this guy, because of course we don't want to remove the cylinder head for that replacement. Okay, here is the leak down tester. We just apply pressure inside and our valve is closed. Then we take this guy and oops, I need to just a little bit organize. Okay, we keep this guy over there. And of course I don't want to lose nothing. Need more pressure. More go into green light. I hope nothing blow. Okay, now it's more pressure. We just make the small brake for keep the air, and after compressor turns off, we start again. Ta-da! Finally, no more misfire. Sorry, let me adjust a little bit camera. One of the connector is is like not plugged proper way, but now no misfire, working fine. Spoiler is on. Ta-da! Everything looks good. I'm glad we finish it. And guys, here is the little teaser. Can you recognize what car is it? Ta-da! Yeah, brand new, 2022 I believe. Was brand new. Came for mods, but this is another one. Today is Saturday, and everybody have a good week, and see you Monday.